guessing that your life, you're a discontented mother and the regimented wife. Have no doubt you've dreamed about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man, we made love in the sun. But I run out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please, lady, you lady, don't just walk away. Guess I have this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Would you share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lives? Ooh, I've been to Nice in the Isle of Greece, where I sip champagne in the yacht. I move like Carlo and Monte Carlo and show them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and I've seen some things that a woman ain't supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Hey, do you know what paradise is? It's a lie, a fantasy created by people in places that like them to be. And you know what truth is? It's a little baby you're holding, and it's the man that you fought for this morning, the same one you're going to make love till tonight. That's true, that's love. Sometimes I've been to crying for unborn children that might have made me complete. But I took the sweet life and never knew I'd be bitter from the sweet. I spent my life exploring and subtle whoring that cost too much to be free. Hey lady, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me.
Never been to me. Aja mana? I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me.
As you requested, Tamar, for the last 15 minutes of our show.
Look at us, after all these years together. Look at us, after all that we've been through. Look at us, still leaning on each other. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us.
Look at you, still pretty as a picture. picture. Look at me, still crazy over you. Look at us, still believing in forever. And if you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us.
In 100 years from now, I know without a doubt they'll all look back and wonder how we made it all work out.
Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how true love should be. They'll just look at us. Chances are we'll go down in history. And when they wanna see how true love should be, they'll just look at us. When they wanna see how true love should be, they'll just look at us. I fell in love with you before the second show.
Your guitar, it sounds so sweet and clear, but you're not really here. It's just a radio. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you, I really do.
Live amo lagi tuh ingat Sonata T4 dengan tuh. Loneliness, it's such a sad affair, and I can hardly wait to be with you again.
Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you, I really do. Don't you remember it's only you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you, I really do.
Kata kasilatan belum. Sino pwede kayo mo sagutan?
Awanan, tagpaparaw akon.
Nagpaparautan, isungod nga nagbaji sa JJ, kaslang nga, dati nakakabil nga, nakatil mong kati ukistikin di, dita karabukop mo, ngamang mo nga na itil mo namin, anit talata nga nakabalat, nakabara, iso nga, kung na naka-vibrate.
Kuna na.
Ngarod, dito yan ti maudi nga sa nata po, ako katakita man iti pang New Year nga talaga, New Year man, New Year. Ket pumakadakan, we would like to say thank you apo kada kayo.
Amin nga nagbuya ti Facebook Live me, amin nga nagdingag di radradyo dito yung Intero Isabela, amin nga nag-text dito yung text line, amin nga nag-PM kanyak, amin nga timawag.
Yes.
Ken kada kayo amin na po. Agyaman kami ti kasta unay.
And see you again apo next
year.
Next year, and iti sumarunong episode me. And thank you very much. And this has been your Manong June Seriales.
And of course, John Mark Pastor Operator.
Saying goodbye and God bless everyone. And ito yun na po timawadi nga sunata mi. Para kadagiti pumakadan. Iti tawen 2017. Kikita tayong tupay abom. Medyo nalitay, pero namayat kay papanan na po.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Haman to nakikita tayo na pa Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find a way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Mamaliw man titawan ka ruba at ang tulad tati 4 decade to para kada kayo. Until next year.
Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please.
I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven.
I want to na po tiluluwasid next year. No more tears in heaven.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Ngarod karo pa, alas 7 apo tirabi iti midnight mass para iti panang Sabato iti Portawan sa San Roque Parish Church. Ket makadwada kami para iti music ministry. Ket manan, dito iti manong John Seriales with
John Mark Pastor.
saying goodbye and Happy New
New
Year,
Year.
everyone!